In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board to your Wix website using Elfsight. This is a fantastic way to expand the functionality of your website by creating a dedicated space for job listings, attracting potential employees, and providing value to your visitors. To start off, we need to head over to the Elfsight website. Once there, navigate to the My Apps section, where you'll find various tools and widgets. You can consider this your toolbox for enhancing your website's capabilities. Here, the focus is on finding the perfect job board template that fits seamlessly into your website's existing design. Once you're at the My Apps section, proceed by clicking on Catalog. This is essentially where Elfsight stores its wide array of application options, and this step makes sourcing the right tool straightforward. Now, in the search bar, type in Job Board. This will bring up specific widgets that are tailored to handling job listings, making it easy to embed a job board directly on your site. Next, click on the Job Board option that appears in the search results. This step is crucial as it allows you to view different templates, providing you with customizability options. Choose a template that aligns with your website's style. After making your choice, click on Continue with this template, which sets your selection in motion for customization. Adding job listings is the next step, so click on Add Job. You'll be prompted to fill in the details of the job listing. Be thorough and include all essential information, such as the job title, description, qualifications, and how applicants can apply. This ensures your listing is informative and attractive to potential applicants, helping you reach the right candidates. Once you've entered all the necessary details, you'll want to publish your job board. Simply click on Publish. Elfsight makes this effortless, instantly preparing your content for the web. Next, under the pricing section, choose the free plan by selecting it. This allows you to get started without any cost, making it accessible to anyone. After making your selection, click on Copy Code. This code is your job board widget. Think of it as the bridge between Elfsight and your Wix website. Now, shift over to your Wix website editor. Here, you'll want to click on Add Elements, a crucial step as it provides the canvas onto which you'll integrate your widget. Look for Embed Code and then select Embed HTML. This feature lets you paste the code that you've just copied, allowing your new job board to fit snugly within your existing site structure. After pasting, simply click on Update to complete the process, ensuring all changes are saved and your job board is live. Your website now hosts a functional and engaging job board, ready for visitors to explore.